Well, happy Halloween, guys. Good morning, it's Snowcastle Cats here. I haven't dressed the cats up and the kittens up in Halloween costumes, but I thought you'd enjoy seeing these guys. Followed by a little bit of Jackson. So Jackson's our little baby, and at the end of this video you can hang around and see a little update of him for those that are interested in that. Thanks for stopping by to see the kittens and our baby. Have a great day, guys. Are you nice and warm under there, Jackson? You're lovely and warm. You are. You're lovely and warm. Wow. It's Halloween today, 2021. And Mummy's just brought Jackson downstairs and set him up.